and I pray thee, to arise on my behalf and tear this kingdom inside out. Tear them apart. Chika. Chika.
Yes, mother.
Come. Arise and assist me to erect the ancient altar for you. That was taken away from me. Arise and restore. Gods of our land, do this for me, and I shall serve you for the rest of my life to the end of time. Of water, arise! Goddess of the sun, arise!
My queen, your highness, what is this?
Strange, very strange. Gods of our land.
Chika, what is it?
Mother, the wind has blown her and will go away.
Wind?
Yes, father.
How?
Father.
No. Let's go. Let's go. My horse! My wife! Ukoshoko!
My waist. I'm dying.
You won't die. The ghost of our land will not allow you to die. You won't die. You will be fine, okay? Ndo, the priestess is swimming here, okay? Don't worry, you'll be fine, okay? You will not die. You're welcome, my princess. You're welcome.
Is she in labor?
No, she fainted after the thunderstruck and she has not been herself since.
Hey!
Here she comes. Yes. She's back. No. Our gods, thank you. The gods of our land, thank you. She's back.
Bring her with me to my shrine.
In situations like this, the priestess shows her true calling. In this situation, your priestess does nothing but mope. Oh, she mopes. She mopes into the air. And how much more of her moping can explain what has befallen our land? How much more of her moping can repair the damages upon the land? And yet, Igwe, you choose her over me.
This was the decision of the gods, and there is nothing I can do to change it. I will not change it until they speak again.
Soon the authority of the gods will unite with the strength of the gods. Then will Umoba know peace. Anyago, a chameleon you are. Your days of terror are numbered.
You call me a chameleon, but a savior I am. For it is I. Ayago! Let the wind! Oh, let the wind! Let it bring forth all that it has taken away. Oh, let the ground vomit all that it has swallowed.
not the daughter of Okoro that was declared missing?
Yes.
What happened?
The guy just molested me alone.
Hey! Come. The king must hear this. Oh yeah! What is happening? Oh no! What is this? Where are you coming from now?
I don't know. I just appeared.
This is too big for me.
What is happening?
The Igwe must hear this. I cannot bear this alone. What is this kingdom turning into? It happened to all of them. All of them disappeared.
And they reappeared?
Yes. Come, let's go. The Igwe must hear this. Please, come. Come. The Igwe must hear this.
For Anyago!
Come. Your Highness. Oh, no. This is too big for
What is it, Ono? What is it?
I cannot bear this alone.
Igwe, my wife.
Oh, my
child. My wife.
Your Highness.
My child.
My eyes saw My eyes saw what I cannot explain. Your Highness, this is Okoro's daughter that the ground swallowed. Yeah, the next person to her, this one is my slave, the one that was taken away by the winds. And this is Udalo's wife that was taken away by thunder and the child. All of them just reappeared from nowhere before my very eyes. Yes. Your Highness.
Igwe, my wife, my child.
Your Majesty.
I said it. I told you, but you wouldn't believe me. I said Anyago is the rightful priestess of this kingdom. Look at it. Seeing is believing, Your Majesty. Look at it. Look at it.
Hey!
But we must wait for the gods to speak again. We cannot go before the gods.
Gods of our land! If I die here with the children, people from far and wide will mock you. They will say you are not a god, that you've lost your potency. My enemies will increase. Gods of our land, come to our rescue! God of our land!
My lord!
Abi, what is the meaning of this? What has this young man done to deserve this inhuman treatment?
Tell him what you have done. Speak!
He caught us stealing these yams from your farm.
My farm?
Yes.
Obi, thank you very much. Now listen to me, both of you. This is little compared to what will happen to you the next time you steal from my farm or anyone else's farm. Do you understand that?
Please forgive us, please.
Now take them out of here.
Please forgive us, please. Please. It will happen again, please.
My priestess.
Do not be afraid. The evil ones in this kingdom shall never be at peace until they are caught. Igwe! The gods have spoken.
Obim, I have these strong feelings of affections for you. You are my missing rib, and my life will be incomplete without your love. You are everything I've always wanted in a woman. I want to ask you for something.
What?
Nkiru, will you marry me?
Yes, I will.
You marry me. Hey! You marry me. Nkiru! 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 Joke or what? Hey! Nkiru!
What happened? What happened to her?
Nkiru is dead.
Hey! How?
Nkiru, we are either in this world together or we are in the next world together.
Priestess of Ani, so called. 7 market days have come and gone, and all we see and hear is disaster upon disaster upon the land. You said peace would come. Where is it, child?
Anyago, you were meant to be the eyes of the gods, yet you cannot see the authority of the gods. Have united with the strength and eyes of the gods.
Are you okay? Huh? Look at your eyes. It's gone.
And yours also.
Anyago, they are here. They are here already.
I know you're thinking about what happened in the afternoon.
Yes.
Obimba. Do you have any explanation on it?
I'm as confused as you are. Ayulu, go back to bed. Go and sleep. Go.
Look at my bag. Must you touch it? Just look.
It's fine.
I know.
Ha, Onyinye. Where do you get that from?
And what is that supposed to mean?
Onyinye? Be careful.
I'm sorry. Onyinye, let me see. Okay, I should come and meet you now. You don't want to see? Here. You like it?
What is it?
Why are you talking like this now? Hey!
Leave me alone. Leave me alone, Joe.
Where is the gift I asked you to get from me?
Ah, you know I can't disappoint you, baby.
Where is it? I want to see.
Where are we?
Let me see.
No. Don't be in a rush. Don't be in a rush.
What? Ayala, what is it?
Why is she looking at me like that? So the four of you have been gossiping about me, okay? Talk out, I beg. All right. We shall see.
Obimba,
Ayago.
truly you are a warrior. But you are a warrior who is a slave. Do you know that I can make you a freeborn? I have the power to do so. But you will father my offsprings.
Ayago. What?
Shh. Not be quick to give Ayago a response. I shall be here. Take your time. I shall be waiting.
What does this woman want from me?
My prince. You've suddenly become so quiet and cold. I hope I've done nothing wrong.
Is that all you're worried about? Is that? Haven't you heard or seen all the mishappening in this kingdom?
And that's why I'm here to calm you down.
I do not have time for such frivolities. I'm only focused on helping my father return peace back to this kingdom.
Is that all you worry about? You don't even talk about our marriage anymore.
Look, Oma, if you do not have anything reasonable to say, you better go join my sisters. I wish to be left alone.
My prince.
Go! Igbe! Igbe! Where is this guy? So, Oma, what is it that you want us to discuss?
My prince. You used to be all over me. You couldn't wait for us to get married. You even made my father agree to me staying in the palace as royalty. And now you can't even look at my face. Do you want to turn me into a public ridicule?
Oh no. No. But I want you to understand that things have really changed. Sometimes I don't even understand myself, my feelings and everything. All.
Your feelings? My prince, your feelings? Are you saying you don't know if you still love me?
No, but I have to be sincere to you. What I feel for you now is a brother's love for his sister. Just understand me.
Oma. Okay, now why do you have to do that? Okay, then why this sudden change? If another man should treat me the way you're treating her, will you be happy? Or will you pick up a machete and behead the man's head? What is it? That's a girl we're talking about here. Why are you doing her all that?
You don't understand.
Understand what? Ikenna, please, I don't like it. Oma!
My daughter, I know how you feel. The princess has told me everything that happened. Not to worry, okay? Everything is going to be all right. You need to pardon him. Okay?
Yes, Mom.
I will talk to him. He's my son, and I know he will listen. As his mother, this whole thing concerns me. Nobody, I mean nobody, will take your place. Okay?
Your Majesty.
Mama, why is your face like this?
It's your brother. He doesn't look in my direction anymore. And when I'm with him, he hardly notices me.
Not to worry. Everything will be all right. Okay?
Mama, my brother loves you.
He doesn't love me.
Who else? If not you. A paragon of beauty and intelligence. Not to worry, my dear. I'm sure it's all that is going on in the kingdom that is actually disturbing him.
Yes.
Don't worry. Everything will be all right. Okay? Now, shall we go? All you have to do is bear with him. Things like this happen sometimes. Okay?
Prince Ikenna.
Dikeh.
How are you?
As you can see, we thank the gods.
Ah, that's lovely. Ah, Oma. And how are you doing today?
I am fine.
Oma, I must say you're such a beautiful woman.
Thank you.
The prince, you're really blessed by the gods for giving you such an adorable, wonderful woman as a maiden.
Thank you very much, Dikeh. I shall see you later.
Yes, my prince. You take care of yourself.
What is it? Why are you pacing? What is the problem?
Mama, it's the prince. He's been acting strange since the lightning hit him.
What do you mean by acting strange?
Ma, he hardly notices me. He doesn't even come near me at all.
But you know the kingdom is in chaos. Do you want him to neglect his duties as a prince and start staring at your face?
What of his duties to me?
What duties are you talking about? You're not yet his wife.
Hi. Ma, that's what worries me more. We'll be getting married in 7 market days and he doesn't even talk about it. I don't think he wants to marry me anymore.
Adoma. Omalicha, you're very intelligent. And I brought you up in such a way that no man can resist you. But tell me, do you truly love the prince and you want to marry him?
I want to be his wife.
That does not answer my question.
Do you love the prince?
Ola! Ola! Ola, what do you know about love? Leave her away!
What are you doing here?
No, ma.
My father is inside. If he catches you here, the only thing I'll be left is your head. Come and go.
I should have told you that I'm not scared.
Suka, come and go.
I am not scared. That's good. I have seen a man who is not scared. Look at you, chestless. You are not scared. You are not scared. Bottomless, you are not scared. By the way, who is your father? Who is your father?
Uloka, sir. Uloka.
Oh, my fine. Uloka, that poverty-stricken, ugly idiot is your father? Can you see your life? Can you see your life? Alama. Of all handsome-looking, poverty-free young men in this kingdom, this needle, Alaga, is your choice. Now, before I open these eyes, you have flown away from this compound. 1, 2, 3, is it? Let me get you here again. I'll behead you and wait for that your poverty-stricken father. Nonsense. What? Come here! Alama! Come here!
Oh, Lama. So this is what you came to tell me. I've always invited you to the palace to visit me, but you will always decline.
I've not done anything wrong. I thought by now you should be concerned.
Oma.
How are you?
I'm fine.
I thought you should be considering coming back home, since the prince doesn't want you around the palace.
So you came to help me pack?
Yes, I came to help you pack.
I am not leaving this palace. This is my home now. And I will marry the prince, whether you or anyone at that likes it or not.
But you don't love him.
Olama, you ought to be happy for me. You ought to be happy because when I become queen, I will take care of you, Papa and Mama. Huh?
Oma, you know I love you so much. You don't have to go through all this just because of Papa.
It doesn't matter what you think.
You don't need this marriage.
I will marry the prince.
Okay, since you made up your mind.
And by the way, I hear Azoka still comes to the compound.
Yes.
Papa forbids that relationship.
I love him. And I will never, ever let Papa choose who I get married to.
Olama, just like he did for me.
Yes.
Olama and love. Wait until I tell Papa.
Oh, please, 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 please. Papa will kill me and kill you too. Please.
Is that not better?
Please don't do this now. Please.
Stand up for anybody. Sit down.
Yeah.
Hold on. Food is ready. I'll be there. You see, a queen I am already.
Oh, so this is what you're enjoying here?
Yes, come, let's eat.
I'm not hungry.
Alright, suit yourself.
Are you leaving me?
Yeah, the queen goes.
Okay, I'm going home.
Come back and meet me here. You stole my yam. You stole my yam. You stole my yam. What's going on? What's going on? Look. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Why are you fighting? He stole my yams. I didn't steal your yam. Did you steal his yam? I didn't steal his yam. You stole my yam because you are the only one that knew where I kept them. You stole my yam. I saw what? Onyori.
Seven tubers of yam.
Yes.
You arranged them in a basket.
How did you know that?
We're supposed to give them to your mother.
Yes.
It's in here.
Yes, this is my yam. This is my yam. Onyori. Okay, it's okay. Now, take your yam and go. Please. Go. Smelling stinking bonga fish tea. Onyori. And you, with this your dry neck. By the time I squeeze this your neck, you really understand where you are. You move up and down, you steal yams. Lazy drone. Your mates are farming, harvesting. You are here stealing yams. Nonsense.
Ma, why are you avoiding me?
I'm not avoiding you. My father is not just in support of our relationship. So it's high time we'll stop seeing each other.
Is this coming from your heart?
I'm scared for you.
For me? I thought I've told you that I'm not scared. All I just want from you is your answer. Leave the rest for the gods.
Where is the God? Let's start from here. How many times have I told you not to get close to my daughter again? Now listen, next time I see you close to her, you will never be alive to tell the story of what happened to you. Now get out. Get out! Oh, you want to choose us and you? If I thought... Let me see you again.
Burani promised this kingdom peace and fruitfulness. But instead, all ye have gotten has been one trouble after the other. Does that not tell you that your priestess here is nothing but a liar? A liar who promises what she cannot give. A liar who promises peace when there is none. You took what belongs to me and gave it to a mere lamb.
Your Majesty, you see, in all fairness, I think it is time we decide on who really takes over this priestess of Umoba. Your Highness, we were all here. We saw how Anyago here brought back Odalo's wife and child.
Of course, yes.
And even Okoro's daughter.
Even one of my slaves, Your Highness. Oh. One of my slaves.
We all saw it, didn't we? All Mbulani could do was promise us peace. Peace that we have not seen. Peace that doesn't exist. Your Majesty, I have said my own.
Hear this words, my king and elders of Umoba. The voice of justice have united with the strength and eyes of the gods. Peace would reign.
Oh, you have told us that before, and yet we have not seen any change.
Do not doubt or question the gods. They work in mysterious ways.
Your Majesty, I still insist that Anyago becomes the priestess of Umoba. I have said my own.
I heard all you said, loud and clear. But one thing is certain. From the days of my forefathers to the days of my fathers, and even now in my days, whoever is found with this type of authority is the princess of Umoba Kingdom. And I cannot change it. So, Mburari remains the priestess of Umoba Kingdom. I have spoken.
Well, I have said my own.
Igwe.
Mburari remains the priestess in my reign.
Obiwa.
Yes.
Leave us.
Stay.
Those eyes. Were you born with them?
Ayago, what are you doing here?
I see. You both were struck by lightning, and her eyes became that way. Have you thought about my offer?
Yes. But I'm sorry. I cannot do that.
What does she want from me?
It's obvious she's in love with me.
Ayago! No matter how bad your yesterday and today is, your tomorrow is spotless. Ayago! Ayago! Change your ways before the anger of the gods falls on you. Change your ways!
How dare you cross my path? How dare you? You must be feeling like whom the gods have chosen, favored of the gods. But let me tell you, just like the vegetables, you will fade away. And I will take back that which belongs to me.
Oh, I don't believe you. It's not true. Okay.
I'm a chef.
I know.
Anyago! What are you doing with him?
And what are you doing here? Right. Let me tell you something. If my mother ever hears a word of this, I will strangle you with my bare hands.
What? Anyago? I hope you have not defiled yourself. Because you know what that means.
Enough already. It's my life. It is my body. And most importantly, it is my choice to decide whether to serve the gods like yourself or not.
Hey, come back! Look, I don't want to hear any of this from anyone. Do you understand me?
Yes, my priestess.
Gods of our land.
My priestess, I greet you. You called me.
Go back to your work. I do not call you. This is the third time she's asking me if I called her. Could it be the? No, no, it is impossible. It's only Anyago that can succeed me. Nara ekene. Agbara nara ekene. Ande mmiri. Nara ekene ụtụtụ. Ọkpagụ nara ekene. Chukwu nara ekene.
Priestess. My priestess. Ijala nwanyị. Hey! Mama is not moving. She's not moving.
Ne.
Hey.
Ne.
It is our tradition that a priestess is succeeded by her daughter. Therefore, I think it is time for Ayagu to come up here and ascend her throne as the priestess of Umoba Kingdom. Ayagu, go up there and pull your symbol of authority.
Thank you, my elders. Thank you.
Go and pull it. It is your own. You are the daughter of Ijele. Ayago, what is it? Pull! Pull it, it's your own! Pull it!
Hey!
The man that got me pregnant has refused to come and visit me ever since I came here. Bulan, I thank you so much for taking good care of me. May the gods of our land bless you.
Chilindo.
Yes, my priestess.
Have the kids eaten?
No, my priestess. The food is finished, my priestess.
Agune chobodole, chukune chanido, china nani biale, china nani biado. Kwa wewe na nebe, le kwa wewe na kwa, binye kumogi wuria, binye kobieze dajo, agune chobodole. Chukune chanido, china nani biale, china nani biado. Nekwa wewe nanebe, nekwa wewe. SMG! SMG! SMG!
So my elders, I am confused. Totally confused. Yes. Besides the prince and I in this house, no other person. My wife and the rest of the members of my family traveled to our maternal home. It's only this Ikem and Odia that have access to my room, my chambers. Suddenly, they set a God's meeting.
Ikem, what do you have to say? You see, it is only you and Odia that have access to the king's chambers. And Odia left earlier this morning. Who could have stolen this scepter except you?
Oh no, Your Highness, I am innocent.
Shut up!
Ikem, speak the truth!
It's all right, Nze. Oh no. I know exactly what to do now. Yes. Don't bother yourself. First thing tomorrow, I will send for Buran, the princess of this land. Oh. She will tell me exactly who stole it.
Your Highness, you have come again.
And if it happens to be you, I will deal with somebody ruthlessly.
Mkurani, every time. Anyago is here for us. She will come here in the morning and tell us what we want to hear.
Nze, you and I know very well that Mkurani is the official princess of this kingdom. Chosen by the gods. But if you insist on bringing Ayago into the matter, you are free. The important thing is to discover the missing scepter. So you can go ahead and invite her also.
Sure. Very well then, Father. First thing tomorrow morning, I'll go in search of Odia.
It's okay. Huh? Good idea.
You. Ipe, follow me.
Odia is not in his uncle's house.
My prince, I personally searched his household. His wife said he has not returned since last night.
These are clouds of a lion.
I'm sure, my prince.
What is going on? What is really happening? Igwe.
My prince.
Cover him up. I think this is beyond her. Okaligi well. Okaligi.
Your Highness, I know someone who can find your scepter.
Who could that be?
Ayolo.
Who is Ayolo?
Onowu's slave.
Onowu? You are Ayolo?
Yes, Your Highness.
Yes, either here said you can see what others could not. I am looking for my symbol of authority. And these two, are the ones that have access to my chambers. They have been accused. Please help me find my scepter of authority.
I'll try, Your Highness.
Thank you, my daughter.
Your Highness.
Daughter.
He's innocent.
Who is innocent? Who among them is innocent?
Him.
This one? How then do I find my symbol of authority? Hey! Hey! My scepter! Hey! My symbol of authority. Thank you so much, my daughter. You will be rewarded for this. Hey! Oh no! I will reward her. Thank you so much.
Your Majesty, he shall be thrown into the evil forest. The gods have spoken.
Consider it done. Again, you be in a palace.
Nze, I sought for your support, but instead, you preferred that filthy thing over me.
Filthy thing? Come, Onyebu filthy thing. No, tell me, who is the filthy thing? The filthy thing that did what you could not? Look, Anyago, I made sure you acquired power by sending you to Kume. You went there and learned Chinese magic. That was what you went there to learn. And you think I will support you when you could do nothing? When a true eye was needed? No, I won't. Now listen, let me advise you. Your eyes have become blind. In short, that was before. You do not even see before. Nkume was only trying to restore your sight, but your promiscuous way never allowed it to be. I did all I did for you because of Jelewai and nothing more. So stop barking like a toothless bulldog. Leave me alone. Okay?
Nze, you called me a toothless bulldog.
Yes.
Remember that name, because it will change. And when it does, you will come begging at my feet.
I will come begging on your feet. I ain't gaffing. Oh no. Are you telling me that this girl lives under your roof, yet you do not know that she has this power?
Nze, it is baffling how I haven't noticed.
Hey!
The girl started seeing all of a sudden. Honestly, I don't know how it happened. She never had this gift before. She never had it.
Anyway, it doesn't matter now whether she had it or not. But what matters now is that you have to be very wise. Be very wise about it. You can make a fortune. Yes, now.
How? I don't understand.
No. I have always told you to think fast. Think fast.
I greet you, elders.
Yes.
Oh no, can I please talk to you for 1 minute?
How can I help you? Okay, whatever it is, please, you can say it here. Nze is not a stranger.
You see, I have been accused of stealing in this village and no one seems to believe I am innocent. I know fully well that I cannot steal anybody's property in this village. At least my father left little things for me that I can manage. See, I want you to help me because it's only your girl servant who can declare me innocent at this point. I just want you to help me talk with her, at least let her follow us and let's make this thing open to everybody that I didn't steal anything. Please.
Your man, it's okay. It's okay. I know. Just one minute. Let me see. You see, this is what I have been trying to explain to you. You know, people will come to you, ask for this girl's help. You know, you have to make certain demands. Tell them to bring this or that, this or that.
But how do I do it?
Oh no, nothing goes for free. Oh, don't you feed her in your house?
Of course I do.
Don't you clothe her in your house?
Oh, I do all of that.
So what are you saying? Make demands before the girl can go with anybody.
It's okay. Now, excuse me, 1 minute. Young man, please come. I have heard all you said. And Ayolo will come to your aid. But before she do that, you must come with some items. Not for me, but for our services, okay?
Yes, oh no, listen, I am ready to provide anything. Just list them. At least I'll run around this village and I'll get everything and let's take care of this thing once and for all, please.
You will provide it?
Sure, I will.
It's okay. Nze,
yeah?
I will see you later. Please excuse us. Young man, come.
Right.
Come with me.
Yeah. I told you to think fast. You don't want to think fast.
Anyago, you misused all I taught you. Go back to where you came from before I strike you. Leave my presence at once.
What if I tell you that I can help you? Just what if?
Where are these from?
You're welcome, my lord. You're welcome.
Yes. Where are these from?
They were brought in by Ikem, the king's handmaid. He said he's grateful for the recovery of Igwe's scepter by Ayolo.
Ah! Ayolo. Ayolo has really brought me so much good in a little time.
Yes, my lord.
I think she deserves something better.
Yes.
Yes. I will surprise her. Where is Ayolo?
She's sleeping inside the hut.
Oh, that is okay. Tona.
Yes, my lord.
Go and prepare the storehouse. Make sure it is ready in no time.
Yes, my lord.
You can continue with your work.
Yes, ma'am.
Onyinye, what are you doing there?
Are you blind? Can't you see I'm resting?
Are you mad?
Are you referring to me? I said, are you referring to me?
Onyinye, hold it there. You know what? What gave you the guts to talk to us this way? Anyway, we'll find out someday.
Because of our land. Lekwaha. Lekwaha. Lele. Lele.
Hey!
Onyinye? And where do you think you're going to? Or can't you see that we are walking? Are you not part of us?
Irrelevant.
Eh? Anyway, don't worry. We'll find out someday.
Is it me, Uche? Onyinye?
Donna. It is okay. This kind of work is for men like us. Huh? You don't need to be stressing yourself with this kind of hard job. Go in and bring the wood.
No, let me do that. Okay, you can rest.
You don't need to be stressing yourself like this. Okay. Told you. This is a job men are supposed to be doing.
Ezinwa,
Yes, master.
henceforth, you have become the personal aide to Ayolo.
Yes, master.
You may all leave now.
Yes, master. Yes, master.
Tona,
Yes, master.
please come.
Ayolo. Ayolo.
What is it?
Oh. Ezenwa. I'm just thinking. I'm just thinking about everything.
Ayolo, my friend, I know how you feel. But you must be grateful to the gods that gave you this gift. They have made the way for you.
You think so?
I know so. Cheer up now. I'm cooking. Let's go.
Obingba!
Master.
Come. Take this gift to Nze's house and give it to him.
So, young man.
Your Highness, please help me. This man here came and stole my land and took my wife away from me because I'm poor.
Igwe. Is it? Your Highness, may you live long. Igwe, the land is mine. I loaned this man money, a huge amount of money, Igwe. And the time I gave him to make the payment has elapsed. The land was collateral for the money I gave him. Igwe Ngawazi Yankete. He has not paid me, so I took the land. Ezunkeme, that is why I loaned him the money. Then Igwe, on the issue of his wife, she came running to me. I didn't go to her. She came to me, Igwe. Who am I to refuse a woman?
Continue.
This man, this poor wretched thing, I gave him money.
Stop. Stop! Enough of this insolence.
I'm sorry, Your Highness. Igwe, the fact remains that this man has become a liability to his responsibility. He could no longer take care of his wife. He could not give her the necessary things that she needs. That is why she came to me.
I say enough.
Your Highness, the time agreed for the payment of the money has not yet come. I still have time to pay him.
Your Highness.
The priestess of Omoba, you are welcome. We are just in the middle of a matter before you came in.
Go on. The gods are listening.
I have had the both of you. And I have made up my mind that this issue should be discussed in the presence of the elders and council. Therefore, I suggest you go back to your homes and come back in 2 market days. Yes, so that we will look into this matter properly and resolve it. Oh?
The gods have passed their judgment.
Greetings to this household. Is anybody home?
Welcome, Obimba.
Thank you. Are your parents at home?
Yes. Nne! Mama!
Obimba, you're welcome.
Thank you. Is Ini at home?
No, he went out.
Okay. Please, keep this gift for him. My master said I should bring it to him.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Greet your master for us.
I'll take my leave now.
May the gods be with you.
Say.
Hey! Take them inside.
Start to hold up. That is why you had the effrontery, the impetus to report me. You went and reported me to the Igwe. Hey! You've not started weeping. You've been about the baby. By the time I finish dealing with you, Chibata, it wasn't over there.
You cannot do more than a dead rat. As long as the gods of our ancestors are with me, I cannot be scared of you.
Chibata, Chibata. Me, any kiss I cannot do my brother.
Yes.
Yes. Yes. You are not afraid of me.
Anyway,
Chibata.
I don't have anything to tell you.
Chibata.
My God will fight for you.
Chibata. Which gods will fight for you? Come back here, which gods will fight for you? Look at this man. Where were the gods when you went to report me to the king? The gods will fight for you. Look, yes, whoever that is bigger than a man is bigger than his gods. I can go carry under Chigu. I can go down to Kago. By the time I finish dealing with you in this community, you will run. You will leave this community and run. Idiot. The gods will fight for me. Where were the gods? Idiot. Useless man. The gods will fight for me. Jacka, idiot. Who are you?
I am the protector of this kingdom.
Oh, we don't have lions in this kingdom, man. Come on, Sengabi. Hi! Hi!
Mazen is dead.
Mazen is dead? What happened to him?
He was attacked by a lion in the forest.
He was attacked by a lion in the forest? Hey! Hey! This is strange. Let's go to the palace immediately. People must hear this. Let's go to the palace. Hey! Odalo, I hope all is well. All is not well at all. Igwe, you shall live long. What is it? Please, tell Igwe what happened. Hey!
Igwe, you live long. Igwe, Mazen is dead. He was killed by a lion in the forest.
By a lion?
By a lion.
Igwe, his body shall be thrown into the evil forest. The gods spoke. Must be thrown into the evil forest. This is an example to others.
May the will of the gods stand.
Ezinwa, this all seems like a dream to me.
Ayolo, there's no food in the kitchen.
I don't understand. There's no food in the kitchen.
The plates are empty.
But I saw you dishing the food. We are together. What happened?
I don't know. What will I tell Onowu now?
Just look for anything and tell him, okay? Please.
Hey.
You ate the food. And you are here telling me that you do not know how the food disappeared.
Oh my Lord.
Shut up! Shut up! How did the food suddenly disappear into the thin air?
My lord, I know these maidens. They couldn't have eaten your food.
So who did? Who ate the food? How dare you? How dare you speak of what you do not know? They ate the food and they must be punished for it. Yes!
Master, Dikeh ate the food.
What? Obi, let him go. I hope you are not just accusing my son. Do you have the proof of what you are saying?
Oh, Master, I'm not accusing him. Master, he ate the food. I have proof. I have proof.
Father, are you going to stand and watch him? Now, shut up! I want you to prove it.
Dikeh, where is your husband?
And may the gods twist your tongue for asking me such an ill question.
Okay. Fine. Wherever your horsewhip is, that is where you ate the food. Master, I'll prove it.
Prove it.
Prove it. Father, you can't imagine this. This. Father, I can explain this.
Dikeh, shut up! What do you want to explain? You are a disgrace. Now get out of my face! I said get out!
Just some market days ago, I was a mere servant. Now look at me.
My friend. My friend. The only thing that is constant in life is change. You look beautiful.
You can say that again. Thank you.
Princess.
Your Highness! A maiden shall be saved by the protector of our kingdom, and she is to remain in the palace.
Hello. Yes. You know, this girl, Ayolo, is making a great fortune for you. And you now have to increase my own costs.
I will. and all thanks goes to you. I will.
Well, no. You see, that is not what brought me here. Okay. I have a serious business to discuss with you.
Tell me, what is it?
No, you know that my daughter, Oma, is betrothed to the heir apparent of this kingdom.
Of course I know that.
And I would want you also to enjoy the benefits that I enjoy from being the in-law to the royal family.
Nze, I don't get the drift of your tongue. What exactly do you mean?
You know, what I mean is that I will convince the king to give the princess hand in marriage to your son, Dikeh.
You will do that? That will be very wonderful. But how do you intend to do that?
Oh, no. Forget about how I'm going to do it. See, no, have you ever thought about the fact that my daughter, Oma, will get married to the prince? And have you ever thought of what will happen if your son gets married to the princess? You know, we don't think that the whole kingdom and the palace will be under our feet. You know, have you ever thought of the fact that the kingship of this kingdom is rotatory?
That I know.
And that after the Igwe, if by accident or by any means, Igwe gives chance, that the next community to host the kingship is your community.
That I know too.
I know. Do you know that if either by omission or commission, Igwe is taken out of the line, no, you are the next king. You have become the king.
Nze, what if we fail?
Oh, no. I hate negative thinking. Stop thinking negatively. No, we are not going to fail. It will work. We won't fail.
This is a great idea, but honestly, I haven't thought of it.
I have always told you to think fast. Oh, no, think fast. Think fast. Oh, no, the king. Ama.
Father.
I hope everything is working out fine in the palace.
Everything is very, very fine, Father.
Good. I hope nobody is disturbing you there.
Disturb me? But I'm being treated like a queen that I am. A queen you raised me to be.
You see, I told you that as long as you do what you are doing there very well, you will enjoy the end.
Nze! Nze! When will you stop scheming?
When?
Hey, you shut your own mouth. I said you shut your own mouth. any more word from you, you will pack your load and go back to your father's house now. Now, get back to the backyard. I said get back to the backyard!
Oma.
So if I will talk and she will simply come and talk.
Oma. Ola, go inside! What do you know? Go inside! Go inside, you know nothing. Hezibonnam.
My daughter.
I beg to take my leave now.
Yes. You can go back.
I have to.
Just cool your mind, eh?
Yes, Father.
Hey, just cool your mind. They have not seen anything. You will rule that palace. And together, we will rule this kingdom together. They never see anything.
My son.
Yes, Father.
I want to discuss something very, very important with you.
I'm listening.
I sent a marriage proposal to the princess. I am quite sure that we all are going to benefit from this. I hope you understand what I'm talking about, my son.
Father, I have never stood in your way before.
Oh, yes.
If you want to marry the princess, you go ahead and marry her. After all, mother is dead. I need a woman to warm your bed at night.
On the contrary, my son, the proposal is for you. Yes, you are to marry the princess.
I mean, Father, what about...
Onye?
Yes.
Oh, come on. Don't worry about Onye and the rest of them. They are mere slaves. See, when you marry the princess, Onye and the rest of them would become your concubines. My son, if you have been very, very observant lately, you would have noticed what is going on between I and Tona. They are mere slaves. You can use them at will. They are always at your pleasure. My son, this is a serious matter. You know that we have acquired enough wealth already. What we are looking for is power. And your marrying to the princess will make us actualize this dream. Very soon, this weakling who calls himself king will pass on. And who knows what becomes of his son, the prince. My son, I want us to rule this kingdom. I just hope you understand where I am going.
Father, I accept the proposal.
Very well then, that's my son.
Your Majesty.
Nze.
I have something very important to discuss with you, if you understand what I mean.
Good. Well, Nze, my son and I are one. So go ahead and speak.
Okay, all right. Okay, it's about the princess.
Adam?
Yes.
What about her?
My king, don't be agitated about it. It's not something bad. It is something normal, very good, very traditional and beneficial. Igwe, I came with a marriage proposal for her.
Thank you. You kept him to serious suspense all this while. That's a good one. That's very good. And who could this man be that you think is befitting to my daughter?
Your Majesty, you know that a man has two hands. The left hand is closer to the anus. Your Majesty, it is Onowu's son, Dikeh.
Onowu's son?
Yes.
Good. Royalty runs in his blood. Son, what have you to say about this?
It is...
Nze.
Yeah.
You are not the young man's father, are you?
No, but I can...
Without due respect, father. This is his idea. In fact, I believe Ada should be told first before any further actions.
It's all right. Nze. Hey, Nze Wokem. Hey, go ahead and eat. Go ahead and eat. It's time for celebration. The kingdom business is a very serious business. People are working very hard. And those that work hard, they made it to eat very well. Eh? I sent for a special palm wine for you. Up wine. And it's coming. Eh?
Your Highness. This girl, Ayolo, is a blessing to this community. Yes. This kingdom.
How?
Your Highness, there's nothing this girl cannot see. Yes. Nothing. If you hide anything anywhere, no matter when, no matter how, no matter by who, Ayolo will see it clearly.
You know, I know very well that girl is a gifted girl. But the way you are talking about her, you are blowing her trumpet. You are speaking as if you are in fact exaggerating her issues.
I am not exaggerating anything.
All right. You know what? Since we are still in this very mood, can we call her to entertain us? Huh? Then let's hide something somewhere and ask her to come and show us where it is. If she succeeds, then I'll give it to you.
Your Highness.
Yeah?
You want to try?
No.
Tell us what do we hide?
I suggest we hide your hostel.
The horsewhip.
The horsewhip. The horsewhip.
My own?
Yes.
No. You will hide it. Oh, I should hide it? Okay. Oh.
Hide it to let the devil. Which means Onowu is not safe because this guy will always see what transpires in his bedroom.
Your eyes. Seeing is believing.
Hey, it's okay. I cannot call the girl. Let me say for her. Igbe! Igbe! Come.
Your Highness.
I now run to Onowu's house and call Ayola for me.
Yes, sir.
Quick.
Ayolo. Ayolo. Onowu wants you outside.
What for?
He wants you to use your gift to entertain the royal household.
The gift of the gods has been reduced for mere entertainment. My clothing may have changed, but I'm still a mere slave.
Ayolo, I know how you feel, but they are waiting. Let's go. Let's go.
Let me take oil.
Enough of oil is there. Eh? In few minutes time now. The palm one. This is a very serious one. Yeah. Oh. I see. Come, my daughter. Let her. Yes, my daughter. I am.
Thank you, my daughter. You're welcome.
I sent for you. As you can see, we're in a mood of merriment. And if you don't mind, you join us. Before then, my daughter, I've called you to come and give us a kind of fun. There is something somebody hid somewhere. Amongst us. One of us hid that thing. And we want you to identify where it is hidden. Is it possible? Can you?
I'll try, Your Highness.
Oh, good. Go ahead, my daughter.
Your Highness, please, can I have your hand?
My hand in marriage for as fifth wife or what? Eh?
There must be a contact, Your Highness.
Good. Take my hand. Take it.
Sanzi, please, can I have your hand?
My hand?
Oh no, sir, can I have your hand?
Excuse me.
It's a horse whip.
Huh? Hey! 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 My daughter!
The gods are
Please, take whatever you like from this stuff.
Your Highness, this one is bigger than what you have here.
Of course, it's more than this thing.
It's all right. Okay. If he says so, all right. My daughter, you may not go home. Huh? Go back home.
Thank you.
Hey!
Welcome, my dear.
What am this girl more spirit? Yeah, you are starting at a very serious risk because this one will always see you and you are the real.
I told you, God.
He's asleep.
What are you doing here at this time of the night?
Ayolo, I've come to discuss something very important with you. But as you can see, can't be here. Just come with me.
Whatever you want to say it here and now. I'm not going anywhere with you.
Ayolo, let me remind you. You're nothing but a slave in this household. I can talk to you anywhere I want and how I want. Now you come with me. Come with me.
Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Take care of me. Leave me alone. Leave me alone.
Never. Never you raise your hands on her again. Never! Lazy bone. Ezenwa,
Yes.
take Ayulu inside and lock the door. Lazy bone.
Ada, Dikeh will make you a good husband, you know.
Oh, I am so happy for this proposal. Nim, you know what? What? You have to start telling the maidens to prepare my beauty regimen. Because I have to look so attractive for my husband to be.
That is a good one. I have already told them. Besides, you're already so attractive.
Yes.
Listen, no sane man would see you and not fall in love.
That's my name.
Here comes my handsome prince. Now, Ikem, what do you think of Onowu's son's proposal to your sister?
Mother.
Yes.
This is a family issue. And before I say anything on the subject, Mama has to excuse us.
Oh, but Ikem, Mama is part of the family.
Very well then. Ada, you cannot be married out to a fool. Dikeh is a fool. And you cannot be his bride.
Ikenna, I don't care what you nor any other person thinks about this marriage. Ikenna, how many royal blood have come here to ask for my hand in marriage? I will never lose this one. I am going to marry him, whether you like it or not.
Obimba. Obimba.
Ayulu.
I came to thank you for saving me from Dikeh's exploit. Thank you very... Did I do anything wrong?
No. Don't worry. Just go in. Just go back. Just go back, okay?
Thank you once more.
You're welcome. If she touches me, she will definitely know who I am.
Masinachi. My God. Today is the day.
Don't come near me.
What do you mean by that? I must surely wait.
Don't come near me. Don't come near me.
Let's take her inside the building.
No, please.
Somebody help! Oh, somebody help! Please help me! My leg, I can't walk.
Don't you ever rape anybody in this kingdom again. And do not say what you saw, else you are dead. Now go. Go!
Ide.
Your Highness.
Now go to Mazokoro and ask him to give you the check of power I paid you for. Quick.
Yes, Your Highness.
You may leave us.
Thank you, Your Highness.
It's your fault,
Your Highness.
That's one thing that bothers me so much. Mburane, the priestess of our land, came to the palace here and told me that a maiden shall be saved by the protector of our land and that she will remain here in the palace. That was a hard nut to crack. I thought over it, but I couldn't make out an answer. So, I don't know.
Your Highness, sometimes it is difficult to predict the ways of the gods until they manifest.
I believe you. I believe you. I believe you. It's okay.
My leg! My leg! My leg! My leg! My leg!
What is it? What is it? Ide! What happened to her? What happened to her?
My Lord! I was saved by a lion. When two men wanted to rape me.
Strange. Did I hear you say that a lion saved you while two men were trying to rape you? This is strange. This time, lion saved you. It's all right. What's your name, young lady?
My name is Masinachi, the only child of Okudele Nakusi.
Okudele Nakusie. Okudele Nakusie. Okudele Nakusie. Is it the Okudele Nakusie that was killed by the warriors from Ada the same day with his wife?
You're right.
Give me your hands. Let's go inside.
So you will get all the drinks ready. We are going to the palace soon to marry the princess. I hope you are listening.
Yes.
Okay.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Isinwa, you're such a paragon of beauty.
Eh?
Yes. Isinwa, do you know how many hours I've been standing there looking at you?
Please, just leave me alone. Leave me alone, eh? Leave me alone.
Isinwa, why are you talking as if you don't know me? Dikeh, the son of Chief Onowu. I can give you anything.
I don't want anything. Somebody help me.
Why are you shouting? Since when have you started following me about in this community?
Dikeh, change. Change.
You're very stupid. You've gone insane. Dikeh, what is it? What is this?
You want to fight me?
Huh? Obimba. Obimba, you want to fight me? Obimba, you want to challenge me? No, challenge me, Obimba. Obimba, come and wrestle me, Obimba.
What is going on?
Huh?
Here? What is going on here?
And who are you to ask me what is going on here?
Huh?
Dikeh, what is wrong with you?
What is wrong with you, Dikeh? You have chosen to be a disgrace to royalty in this kingdom. Look at you. Just take a good look at yourself. Now let this be the last time. This will repeat itself again.
The prince is warning me. Clap for yourself. You're warning me, Dikeh.
And let me remind you that these are all my slaves. And I have the right to treat them whichever way I want to. Nobody challenges Dikeh. Nobody, not in this community. And as for you, and you, Dikeh will come for you. Nobody challenges Dikeh. Nobody, not in this community. No!
My prince.
Hold your peace. Mother.
My son, what are you doing in my chamber at this time of the night?
I have come to see how our visitor is faring.
She's faring well, but she's fast asleep now.
Very well then. I will take my leave.
Good night, son.
Good night, mother.
My prince, why have you refused to consummate this relationship? Or is there any quality in a woman you want that I do not possess?
Oma. Oma. Oma, look at me. You are indeed a beauty to behold. But I want you to understand something. There's time for everything. And you know I'm a prince. We are bound to leave it like this till we get married. Oma. Oma. Oma.
But I've offered myself freely to you.
I know. And that is the reason I want you to understand. Okay? Come here. Just understand with me, okay?
My prince! My love! My prince! Why are you leaving?
Oma, I have a very important duty to attend to. And it's urgent. Go back, I will join you soon. Please.
Ide. Yes, my prince.
Where's Masinachi?
She's at the backyard.
I'm sorry, I didn't hear you.
It's okay. It's okay, ma. Stand up. Stand up. Tell me, why the tears, fair maiden?
My prince, I've been through a lot. It seems the gods has deserted me. My mother died many years ago, giving birth to me. And my father. I feel so alone in this wicked world. With no one to go.
No, ma, you are not alone. I swear on my father's throne that I will protect you from all that hurts you. I will never let any harm come to you. Okay?
Oma. God?
My queen.
Excuse us, please.
Yes, my queen.
Oma, why are you worrying yourself to death?
Mother, I'm worried about the prince's relationship with Masinachi.
I've told you that the prince doesn't have any relationship with this lady. All he feels for her is pity because of all she has been through. Look, don't worry yourself, okay? As far as we are concerned, you are the only royal daughter-in-law.
The only one.
Hmm? Now, shall we all go in?
It's okay.
Onyinye, what is it?
Oh, she's crying.
Onyinye, what is it?
It's Dikeh.
Dikeh is about to get married to the princess. What about me? What about me?
Onyinye, this is not the end of your world.
He told me he loved me. I gave him my body. I gave him my soul.
It's okay.
I thought he would be the one to free me from the bondage of slavery.
Onyinye, how could you think that? How could you think that? Listen, it's okay. You guys do not belong in the same class. That's why you don't know. It was just using you.
No.
Yes. It was just using you to satisfy his urge. Come to think of it, what were you thinking? Do you really think Onowu of all people will allow his only child to get married to you, a mere slave? That's not possible. It's okay. Oye, just clean your tears, huh? Stop crying. Huh? Now, my advice for you now is to stop sleeping with him. Stop it. Don't sleep with him again. I mean, that's your pride as a woman. Don't give it to him again. Tell him no. Be a woman. Say no to him. Okay? It's okay. Stop crying, okay? It's okay. It's okay. You have to leave this place. Let's go. Come, let's go before someone sees you crying.
Get your filthy hands off me. Now listen to me. Leave me alone, Dikeh, as no one has anything to do with you.
Onye, wait. Is it me you're talking to like that?
Yes! I will talk to you whichever way it pleases me. Because you're evil, Dikeh. Dikeh is wicked.
You started growing wings, eh? You started growing wings in my father's house. You're talking to me, Dikeh, like that, in that manner. Let me remind you the fact that you are my slave, and I choose to do whatever thing I want to do with you.
So it's you all this while. It has been you, eh?
Yes, it is I. Anyago! The toothless dog has arrived. And this time, it arrived as a lion. It has regained its paws and claws. With teeth sharper and stronger than ever before.
Enough of this, your childish magic, Anyago. Because it doesn't impress me anymore. Neither do your words.
Nze, as we speak, your daughter, Oma, is about to be thrown out of the palace. The prince is no longer interested in her.
You lie. You lie, Anyago. You lie. Because my daughter still lives in the palace as the queen that she is. And the prince adores her. So what are you talking about?
Very well then. Go to the palace and see for yourself.
Go to the palace and see for yourself.
Ayago!
Ma.
Yes, Her Majesty.
You will not go near the prince anymore. Henceforth, you will serve the princess and Oma. You wash their clothes, you make their hair, and you take care of any other thing they need you to do for them. Do you understand what I'm saying?
Yes, Her Majesty.
Do you understand what I am saying?
Yes, Her Majesty.
Good.
Your Majesty.
Ma, the prince asks that you get him some water to drink.
No! You will not take the water to the prince. Oma, you and Nada, go and get the prince some water to drink. Alright? Go. And you? Go to the backyard and see if there's anything for you to do. Now get out of my sight.
How do I make Ma understand how I feel about her? How? Okay. Okay, these are the words that I'm going to say to her. Ma, I just hope you will not be dumbfounded by this word I have got to tell you. I just wish you understand and give me the chance to prove my love to you. I've loved you right from the very beginning. No, don't misunderstand me. You see, I tried fighting these feelings, all to no avail. How I wish you would give me the chance to prove this love to you. Ma, just like your name, you are a beauty from the gods to me. Masinachi.
Ikenna! Ikenna!
Oma!
Ikenna! Hey!
Adesi.
Don't touch me. What have you done to the prince? You witch! Ever since you came into this palace, he has changed, he has suddenly lost focus. Shut up! Who asked you to speak? Listen, this is my brother's wife, and nothing will ever stop it, you witch.
What's going on here?
Mother, Ikenna thought it was Uma bringing water for him, and he was there professing love to her.
Son? Is it true?
What's wrong has she done? I'm the one who professed love to her, not the other way around. If you are to punish anyone, I am the one who deserves it.
She has totally bewitched you.
No, Mother. I have not been bewitched. It's just that I'm tired of you all forcing on me. In fact, this betrothal is over.
Chimo! Chimo! Your father must hear this. Chimo! Are you okay? Hey.
It's okay. Don't cry.
Oh my God. Oma! Ogin! What is happening? Oma, what is wrong with you?
It's okay. There's no cause.
Why are you crying?
Father, the prince has changed towards me for some time now. Ever since Masinachi came into the palace, he said the betrothal is over.
What? Masinachi or whatever you call yourself. Now listen to
Oh no! This is not your household. You have no right to scold nor speak to her in that manner. And Yunze, I am not married to your daughter yet, nor have I touched her. So I have the right to cancel the engagement.
Shut up there! Ikene, what is wrong with you? Shut up! I say, how dare you address my elders in such a rude manner? Huh? Are you out of your senses, this boy? Are you? Get out of here. Get out of here! What is wrong with this boy? Uze, please understand with me. I will handle it.
It's okay. It's alright.
Oh.
It's alright.
Lugo? Oh no, it's okay. I will handle it.
This is not happening. This is not happening at all. See, if Oma is kicked out of the palace, I am finished. Oh no, where is my pride? Where is my pride? Oh no, I am finished.
It is not over yet.
What?
It is not over.
I told you, didn't I? But instead, you called me Anyago, a toothless bulldog. You referred to my powers as childish magic. You want Masinachi dead. But I want my position back as the priestess of Umwaba. I believe we are back to where we used to be. I mean, our previous arrangement. Are we not?
My priestess, where are the children?
The children have gone to beg for food.
Beg for food? Yes. Sorry about that. Let me go get them something to eat.
This right belongs to no other than I, Anyago, the daughter of the wine. No slave, human or spirit, can take it away from me. You, I shall kill. And you, I will offer a sacrifice to my gods. In the name of the gods, did you come here? Oh,
Buran, you are here to protect her. Is she the reason you rejected me? Next time you cross my path again, I will kill you.
My priestess.
Ayago wanted to kill me.
It's okay, come. Come out. Listen. Priestess, we are protected by the gods of our land. Ayago will never hurt you again. Did you hear that? Okay, let's go.
What have I done to myself? What? My father put me into all this. Now the prince doesn't want me anymore. So where do I go from here? Yes, I have to go and tell the king all that we've done.
Do you still want to be queen?
No, I don't want to be queen anymore. In fact, I'm going to tell the king all that we have done.
Patience, my child. Patience. We just need Ayolo out of the way. Obimba out of the way. And Masinaji out of the way. And then you're good.
I don't want to be queen anymore, Anyago. I don't want to be queen anymore.
My priestess.
Do not be afraid. The evil ones in this kingdom shall never be at peace until they are caught. Igwe! The gods have spoken.
How are you? It's indeed a blessed day. May the gods be praised.
Dikeh, leave my way.
Are you going to reject Dikeh, the son of Ono?
Leave my way.
No maiden in this land rejects me. It's indeed a wonderful day.
Leave my way.
I've been waiting for a day like this. Come on, Oma.
Ayolo,
Yes, my love.
go and get us smoked fish.
Yes, my love.
I hope you would like it. It's okay.
Oh no! Hand over Ayolo to me now, else you die.
Oma, what is the meaning of this?
Ayago, out of this compound, else I will unleash the fury in me.
Abimba! You disappointed me! You chose the filth over me. Now stay out! I want her. Come!
It was either we won or I take the blame alone. I used your most prized possession to achieve my aim. You wanted Masinachi to die, but you did not want your hands stained with blood. There, I possessed your daughter, and I used her, and now I'm not sorry she's dead. She's dead. What?
No, she's not.
Igwe, I told you from the beginning that soon the authority of the gods will unite with the strength of the gods. And the authority of the gods is the prince. The eyes of the gods is Ayolo. And the strength of the gods is Obimba. Your Majesty, please, grant Ayolo and Obimba their freedom. I beg of you, please.
Granted, my priestess.
My priestess, please beg the king for me. Please. Your Highness, I never had any intention of hurting anybody in this land, nor was I planning to overthrow you. It was Nze here who lured me into all this. I am very sorry, Your Highness.
Shut up your mouth! Fool! So, it was Nze who lured you into all this. And you agreed with him. You will have your own portion of punishment. Nonsense. Nze, I have actually seen that you are the cause of all these things that are happening here now.
Igwe, no, I wasn't.
Listen, I'm not here to exchange words with you. Now tell me, are you part of this conspiracy?
No, Igwe, I don't know anything.
Now, this is my judgment. You are hereby banished from this land. And you're not supposed to be seen anywhere around the kingdom. You had me why? And you, because you decided to align with him and committed this crime knowingly, you are also banished and never to be seen in anywhere within our kingdom.